Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Without any further delay, let's get started. Yes, check your answers. Or let me ask you. The above expression has how many terms?
4 terms, ma'am.
4 terms. Very good. The coefficient of y square is
6/5, ma'am.
the coefficient of y square. Not the numerical
Ma'am,
coefficient.
6/5x.
6/5.
Ma'am.
Yeah, you must cover the y square term and write everything else. You must cover the y square term. The coefficient of y square will be, just take away the y square term. 6/5x. The coefficient of y square is 6/5x. The numerical coefficient of y square is 6/5. If it was the numerical coefficient, numerical coefficient is only 6/5. But the coefficient of y squared is 6/5x. If it carried a minus sign, the numerical coefficient is minus 6/5. The numerical coefficient must be specified along with the sign, plus or minus. Okay, what is the numerical? So coefficient is minus 6, not minus, sorry. The coefficient is 6/5x.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
Ma'am, I didn't get this assignment, ma'am. I got only one assignment, ma'am. Me too, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm also, ma'am. I also.
This assignment, you people have taken pictures and shared it on WhatsApp with me, no? That assignment. You people had worked out this and shared the pictures with me on WhatsApp, right? That assignment.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the test one which you gave, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. One day you asked to write and leave the meeting. That test, no, ma'am.
Not sure, but I remember I gave you this assignment.
Yeah, ma'am. The test only, ma'am.
Test, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Test, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, I thought that was the assignment. Okay. That was a test, is it? I didn't notice it. All right, children. So anyways, you have the answer with you, right? So you can just check it now, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
All
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
Okay, then keep it ready. You must have your answers. Are we ready?
Ma'am, actually, one day I didn't attend the class, ma'am. I think that on that day you have conducted this test, ma'am. So I don't complete
Then
it.
listen and understand the answers, Devadarshan.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't remember if you missed the class that day, but if that is the case, then maybe you can just listen to the discussion.
Yes, ma'am. Because I don't remember I have listened to this, ma'am. That's why, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
We'll continue, children. The numerical coefficient of the second term is?
Minus 9/4, ma'am.
Correct. The above expression is a polynomial. Is it a polynomial?
True.
Yes, ma'am. It's a polynomial.
You can see the answers here. You can take a screenshot if you want.
Ma'am,
Taken, ma'am.
All right. Yes, Kirtana?
I wrote the answer is false, ma'am. How is this term not a poly? How is this term a polynomial, ma'am?
Okay.
It
What is
has
the
4 terms, no, ma'am.
Yeah, any expression. Okay, now tell me the look at the powers of x and y here. What are the powers of x and y in the first term? Is it a whole number?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, the power of x is 3, the power of y is 2. Look at, okay, now this expression has 4 terms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, in all the terms, observe the powers of the variables. If all of them are whole numbers, then it is a polynomial. See, this is a very simple way for you to understand. Actually, see, when you come to standard 9, you will have other type of questions also. So there, the explanation will be more in detail. Now for you, what I say is, look at the variables x and y. The powers everywhere are whole numbers. The power here is 3, the power here is 2, the power is 2, the power is 1, the power is 1 here, the power is 2 here. The powers of the variables involved are all whole numbers. So it's a polynomial. See, in fact, this is a polynomial. If I just write 2x, 2x is also a polynomial. 2x is a polynomial. It's a polynomial which is a monomial. 2x is also a polynomial. It's a polynomial more, but in specific, it's a monomial. Now 2x plus 5 is a binomial. It is a polynomial. A monomial is a polynomial. Now I think the confusion is polynomial means there should be many terms. It's not like that. Polynomial does not mean many terms. Many terms, so it's a polynomial. No, it's not like that. 2x or 2y is a monomial. It's a polynomial. 2y plus x. 2y plus x is a polynomial. It's a binomial. It has 2 terms, so it's a binomial. It is a polynomial. It's a polynomial with 2 terms. 2y plus x is a binomial. It is also a polynomial. It's a polynomial with 2 terms. Then what makes an expression a polynomial? If the powers of the variables are whole numbers, if the powers of the variables are whole numbers, then the expression is a polynomial. Now when we take 2x, the power of the variable x is 1. It's a whole number, so it's a polynomial. When we take x, y, z, the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1, the power of z is 1. Everywhere the powers are whole numbers. So it's a polynomial. Now when I say root x is not a polynomial. When I say root x is not a polynomial because root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. Because root x is x to the power 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So root x is not a polynomial. It's an expression. It's an algebraic expression, but it's not a polynomial. Root x is an algebraic expression. Everything and anything is an algebraic expression. If you see some numbers and variables, it's an algebraic expression. You see some plus minus sign, you see some x, y, z and numbers, whatever numbers they are, real numbers, non-real numbers, whatever they are. So the difference between an algebraic expression, the difference is, let me tell you. So now when we say cube root of x, this can be written as x to the power 1 by 3. X to the power 1 by 3. Cube root of x is written as x to the power 1 by 3. The variable is x. Its power is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is not a whole number. 1 by 3 is not a whole number. So cube root of x is an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. It's an algebraic expression. It's not a polynomial because its power is not a whole number. Now, when we say x plus root 5, x plus root 5. Root 5 is not a variable, it's a constant. So that can be root 5. It can be root 5. We are only concerned about the powers of the variables, not the constants. Now, root 5 is a constant. There is no x, y, z or a, b, c in it. Root 5 is a constant. Leave that. Don't worry about the constant. This is the variable. Its power is 1, which is a whole number. So x plus root 5 is, it is an algebraic expression. It is also a polynomial. X plus root 5 is an algebraic expression. It's also a polynomial. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana, are you sure? You understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Any expression made up of constants and variables, some a, b, c, some x, y, z, numbers, fractions, plus, minus sign, they're all, so that makes an algebraic expression. But if the algebraic expression has to be a polynomial, we have to check one thing. What is that one thing? You should look at the variables. Look at the variables in the different terms. Everywhere the power of the variable should be a whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be a whole number. You must look at the variables involved throughout in the expression. Every variable should have its power as a whole number. Then it's a polynomial. Otherwise, it is not a polynomial. So when, as I just said, when we say root x, so now how many terms? There can be 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, many terms. So root x is not a polynomial because its power is 1. The variable, the power of the variable x is 1 by 2. Now x is a polynomial. X is a polynomial. It has only 1 term. It's a monomial. It's a polynomial with 1 term, which is a monomial. Why is x a polynomial? X is an algebraic expression. It's also a polynomial. Why is it a polynomial? Because the power of the variable x is 1. It's a whole number. So it's a polynomial. In particular, it is a monomial. Monomial is a polynomial. Binomial, trinomial, they're all polynomials. You can get answers. I have written 2 here. 2 like terms. So the 2 terms must have L square, M cubed and N with any coefficient. So this you will have different answers. And what's the answer for this, children? Share your answer.
Ma'am, what about the second question?
Ma'am, 26 by 3 a square bc minus 3 by 4 abc square.
No, I think one minute, Madhumita. Let Sanjay and Sindhu say because I think they started. Yes, Sanjay.
Ma'am, 26 by 3 a square bc minus 1 by 4, ma'am. Minus 1 by 4 abc, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got minus 26 by 3 a square bc minus 5 by 4 abc square, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what even I have on my screen.
Ma'am, I got minus 3 by 4 abc square.
Yeah, you can see the calculation. You can see the rough work.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are the like terms, right? So addition. So we need to write every term in a bracket and connect the brackets with a plus sign because it's add. Enclose this in a bracket, enclose this in a bracket, enclose this in a bracket, enclose this in a bracket and connect the brackets with a plus sign. That's the first step. Enclose all the terms in a bracket and connect the brackets with a plus sign. That's the first step. And that's what you see here. Because we have to add. You can see the terms enclosed in a bracket, and the brackets are connected by a plus sign because we have to add. Then remove the brackets. You know how that happens. Then open up the brackets. That's the second step. Plus into minus is minus. And here also plus into minus is minus. Open the brackets. That's the second step. Then gather the like terms. A square BC. A square BC. These two are like terms. So I've written them, beside one another. And then ABC square, like terms. So you can see them here. So we know that when you add or subtract like terms, the result is also a like term. So when you simplify these two, you will get A square BC only. When you simplify these two, you will get ABC square only. You will get ABC square. So you have to only simplify the coefficients. What is 7 plus 5 by 3? What is 7 plus 5 by 3? See here. So the answer is 26 by 3 A square BC minus, why minus? Because we need to simplify minus 1 by 4 and minus 1. Minus 1 by 4 and minus 1, which is minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 A BC square. Am I right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, could you please once again show the second question?
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you. I took a screenshot.
Any doubts, children? Any clarification?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah?
Ma'am, minus 1 by 4 minus the next is ABC square, no ma'am. So that is considered minus 1 ABC square, no ma'am.
Correct.
So when we take LCM, it becomes minus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4, no ma'am.
Minus 4 by 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You understood your mistake, Madhumita, or should I tell you?
Yes, ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am.
Why? 1 is 4 by 4, right? 1
Yes,
is 4 by 4. Oh, yeah, then what happens? Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 4.
Okay, ma'am.
No, I'll wait for you.
No, ma'am, I multiplied 1 by 1 into 4 by 4. Oh, I made a mistake there, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Yes, Danya, what's the answer for this one?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Danya, what's your answer for this one?
23y square minus 11xy minus 12x square, ma'am.
23?
Y square, ma'am,
Okay.
minus 11xy
Okay.
minus 12x square.
You're right, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, I've worked it both the ways, so you can do it like this. You can work it like this. or like this. So let's see the first method. Subtract this from this.
In the second method, you have directly subtracted it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So children, from this expression, so we need to write this from. Whatever is after from, we need to write that first. So you can see it here. And then write out this expression. And since it is subtract, connect the two brackets with a minus sign. Is that right? The first step? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Whatever expression you find, you see after from, that should be written first. And then this first one. Enclose the two expressions in a bracket and separate the brackets with a minus sign because it is subtract. Now open up the bracket. So you get the terms in the first bracket, they come out as they are. You can see this one as it is, this one as it is here, minus 3x squared. Here, minus into plus, minus 9x squared. Minus into plus, minus 5xy. Minus into minus, plus 5y squared. Then gather the like terms. Gather the like terms. There are some y square term, 2y square terms, 2x square terms, and 2xy terms. Minus 18y square and plus 5y square. You can, I think, help yourself with that. Any order. It's not that you should write the y square terms first and then the x square and then xy. Nothing like that. You can write anything first. You can even write the x square terms and then the y square terms and then the xy terms. Any order. I have written the y square first, then x square and xy terms. And then 18 plus 5 is 23, 23y square. Minus 3, minus 9, minus 12x square. Minus 6, minus 5 is minus 11xy. In this method, you need to change, because it is subtract, you need to change the signs throughout the second expression. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and plus becomes minus. So it is 18y square plus 5y square. 18y square. You need to change the signs. So it's 18y square plus 5y square, 23y square. Minus 6xy minus 5xy. Take the new sign. Minus 5xy minus 11xy. Minus 3x square minus 9x square. Take the new sign. Minus 12x square. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No question.
Fine, children. Good. I'll unshare my screen. Only then I can ask you for your answers. You can see my screen, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
We can't see the screen, ma'am.
All right. Devadarshini, kindly unmute. Okay. You haven't worked this, right? Sorry. Raja?
Ma'am.
And one help,
Ma'am.
After discussing this answer, could you please show the fifth one solution, ma'am?
No, somebody was saying something. Come again. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
somebody was saying something. Okay, Raja, please give me the answer for the first one. 5A.
Ma'am, max square plus mxby minus myax minus nby square.
Very good, very good. What about the second one, Raja?
Minus a to the a cubed bc minus ab cube c plus abc cube.
Very good. And for the third one, I'm so happy. Third one, Raja?
Third one, xy square minus 2xyz plus z square plus sorry ma'am.
No
xy
problem. Huh.
it's my handwrite I can't something.
Oh, you're not able to read your handwriting, is it? No problem. So you can see something like xy square and z square, is it?
Yes ma'am. Actually I have not left a line between the first step and last step, so I got confused.
No problem. But I think you're almost there. Very good.
Yes ma'am.
Now, children, I'll show you the answers. Yeah, now can you see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. Please check your answers.
Ma'am, actually, I muted myself for ask this only, ma'am, but you just disabled my mic. Ma'am.
If you have any questions, you can ask me, children. I've worked
No
the same
questions, ma'am.
ways.
No doubts, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, Devadarshini?
Yes, ma'am. Just for clarifying.
Okay. Shall we move on, children? Any questions here?
No questions, ma'am.
Others?
No questions, ma'am.
Questions ma'am.
All right. Yeah, I'll again unshare my screen. Yeah, who wants to share the answer for the sixth one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Madhumita?
Ma'am, 21x square minus 12y cube plus 33.
Okay. Okay, I got it from you, Madhumita. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I
One by one. All of you can say one by one. Who wants to say after Madhumita?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, 7x square plus 17 minus 2y cube, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am, can I say my answer, ma'am?
Kirtana? Yes, yes. All of us can say yes.
21x squared minus 12y cube plus 31.
31. Okay. 31. Okay. I think Madhumita said 34. You said 31. All right. Anyone else?
Ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes, Raja. Yes, Raja.
Ma'am, the final answer I got was minus 3x square plus 12y 12y cubed minus 31.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Please tell me.
Ma'am, minus 28x square minus 2y cube plus 31, ma'am.
Okay. Danya. What's your answer, Danya?
Anya is not in the meeting.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay. Fine. Only one person has got the correct answer, and another person is almost close.
Ma'am, after listening to everyone's answer, I just realized I made a small mistake in the addition, ma'am.
Yeah. Correct. So Kirtana was completely right. 21x square minus 12y cube plus 31. Madhumita, you said 34, but that's okay. You're almost there. Yes, others, please look at the screen. Please see where you've gone wrong and ask me your questions.
Ma'am, I made the mistake in placing the values, ma'am. In the step 1, I have written as 9x square plus 4y cubed minus 7. That in the first place, and 5x square and 5x square minus 7 cube.
Yeah, so the difference is when the word difference is used, you should subtract in the same order. When it's given, subtract something from something. Subtract something from something. Then we write the second expression first and then the first expression. When the word from happens, like we saw here, subtract this expression from this expression. So in this case, we write the second expression first and then the first expression, and we connect it with a minus sign because it's subtract. While here it is find the difference. What is the difference of 5 and 3? 2. Same order. When it is difference, take the same order. Don't change the order. Difference of this and this. That means this is the first expression, this is the second expression, and they have to be connected by a minus sign. Got the difference, Raja?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Difference means take the same order, children. The first expression first, the second expression second, and connect them with a minus sign. If it is subtract one expression from another expression, then you have to write whatever is the second expression that will come first, and the first expression will come second. So I've worked it in 3 steps. The difference in step 1, another difference in step 2, and the third step, add the 2 differences. Any doubts, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
Please verify. Please check your answer line by line, step by step. Why Sanjay and Sindhu got a different answer?
Ma'am, actually, instead for 21x square got 28x square, ma'am.
Okay. You understand your mistake? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, this is the recent assignment which I had posted. Keep this one ready, children, for discussion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, children. So I'll be unsharing, sharing. So when I have to get the answer from you, yes.
Ma'am, actually, this second Roman letter of the fifth question was not visible in the assignment sheet you sent, ma'am.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
But that was a picture from a textbook, no?
Yes, ma'am. Only the first Roman letter was visible, ma'am, not the second one.
Let me check.
The answer for the second one was visible, ma'am, but not the question, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. I have my phone beside me. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the second Roman letter was above the answers column, ma'am.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, ma'am. I also got this.
Yeah, it's there, ma. Madhumita, you missed to notice that because you would have assumed that the other column is only the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, no problem. Because I always double check before I do something. See, I can go wrong. I'm not saying no, but I always make sure that I'm right. No problem. All right. Yeah, I was telling you that I'll be unsharing and sharing. So when I have to get the answer from you, I have to unshare my screen, and then once I get it from you, I'll share my screen. So I will not be, repeating these statements. So don't worry if you don't see my screen for some time. Yeah. Yes. Danya's not. Danya, are you there? Danya's not there. Okay. Sanjay or maybe Sindhu. What's the answer for the first one?
Ma'am,
Sindhu?
AB square C square plus A square BC square, ma'am.
Correct. And the second one?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
A to the power of
A to the power 4 minus B to the power 4.
Okay, next will be Devadarshini. Devadarshini, I'll ask you.
Yes,
Next will be your turn. Yeah.
Can I say, ma'am?
No, please. Yeah, so this is the answer for the first one. Please check your answers, children. So both of you were right, Sindhu and Sanjay. So what happens here? Plus A square B square minus A square B square gets cancelled. Plus A square B square minus A square B square gets cancelled. So the answer is A to the power 4 minus B to the power 4.
Ma'am, can I say the answer for the second question,
Yeah,
ma'am?
let me ask. No, the Devadarshini had not finished the earlier assignment. So let me ask her and then ask you, Keertna.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, any doubts here? Shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Yes, Devadarshini. The answer was
Yes,
second.
yes, ma'am. Minus 7a to the minus 7a cube minus 2a to the power 5, ma'am.
What about the answer of the first one, Devadarshini?
Ma'am, in first one, A or B, ma'am?
Question number 2, first subdivision.
Ma'am, for the first one only I have said now, ma'am, minus 7a cube minus 2a to the power 5, and for the second one, a to the power 4, b minus a to the power 6, b, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Devadarshini. Both your answers are correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children. Yeah. For some reason, just for the sake of alignment, I just exchanged 1 and 2. 1 with you is 2 in mine. 2 is 1 in mine. For the sake of alignment, I had just exchanged the questions. So check carefully.
Ma'am, I've got minus a to the power 6b plus a to the power 4b. Ma'am, it's the same, no, ma'am?
Correct. Yeah, you have written the second term first. It's
Yes,
the same.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You've got minus a to the power 6b plus a to the power 4b. Perfect. It's correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All of us get the correct answers? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's move on. Yes, Keertana?
Ma'am, the third one, ma'am.
Yeah, the answer for the third one?
For substituting A
No.
for 2 and B for...
No, you should not substitute. First, you must find the product. What's the product?
Yeah,
No,
ma'am.
the question is find the product and then find the value. So first we need to find the product. What's the product?
Minus 2A squared B and then minus 2AB squared, ma'am.
That you did now, right? It's not in your book, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have directly substituted the values of A and B and got what?
Minus 96, ma'am.
Minus 96. That's correct. But let's understand the question better. So the question is find the product, which means we need to find the product, work the product first, and then find its value for A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. Okay. Here's the answer for the third one. First, we need to check the product. We need to find the product, not check the product. First, we need to find the product. This is the product. This is the product. And then we need to find its value, the value of the product for A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. So on substituting, wherever there is A, see here 2, A square, A is 2. So it's simple. Where there's A, it is 2, where there's B, it's 4. A is 2, B is 4. You can see it here. The value of the product is minus 96. The value of the product is minus 96. Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, next, Raja.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what's the answer for the fourth one?
minus,
What's the product?
ma'am,
For question number 4, what is the product? What do you get when you multiply the two expressions?
minus 105, ma'am.
No, not the value.
Yes. Minus 15 a to the power 4 b to the power 4 by 3 plus minus 5 a to the a cubed b to the power 5 by 3.
Can you repeat?
Minus 15 a to the power 4 b to the power 4
Okay.
plus minus.
I have minus 5. I don't have 15. My answer is minus 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Minus 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4.
But I have 5 in my second value.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just come again, Raja. Let me listen carefully. Sorry, please come again.
Minus 15 a to the power 4 b to the power 4 by 3.
Oh, by 3. So 15
Yes.
by 3 is 5, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's as good as minus 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. 15
Yes.
by 3 you have. 15 by 3 is 5.
Yes.
Okay, you're correct.
Do that step. Sorry.
No, you should have cancelled the 3's. No problem. Okay. You're
Yes.
right. You're next.
Plus minus 5 a cubed b to the power 5.
Correct. Your answer is right. Your product is right. And what is the value of the LHS and RHS for the given values of A and B?
Ma'am, for the first one, minus 180.
Okay.
Second one, 75.
So you're getting a different value for the LHS and RHS, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that shouldn't be the case because it's an equation. Okay, fine. Let's see that.
Ma'am, can I share my answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, for the fourth question, I got 0 as the final answer, ma'am.
You got 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Devadarshini, what's your answer?
Ma'am, I'm having some network issues. Could you please say which question, ma'am?
Question number 4, Devadarshini.
Question number 4.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have got minus 5a to the power 4, b to the power 4 plus 5 by 3, a to the power 3, b to the power 5, ma'am.
Ma'am, for
No,
me,
not that one. One second, children. 1 second. Devadarshini, not that. Okay, that's correct. What is the value of the LHS? What is the value of the LHS, Devadarshini, you've got?
Ma'am,
1 minute. Devadarshini.
Ma'am, she left the meeting.
Oh. Okay.
ma'am, for substituting
Yeah.
A and B, ma'am, for 1 and 3, I got 135, ma'am.
135. Yes, children. Yes, Sindhu and Sanjay.
Ma'am, can I share my answer, ma'am?
Yeah, what is the value of the LHS and RHS?
Minus 405 LHS, then RHS is 405, plus 405. The product is 0, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I got the exact same answer.
What is it? The product is 0. The product is not 0, no? The product of the LHS and RHS you're saying is 0.
Ma'am, minus 405 plus 405 is 0, no, ma'am.
No, children, my question is what is the, okay, fine. No, let me not confuse you. Fine. Anybody else wants to share the answer? The value of the LHS and the value of the RHS for question number 4? Okay, let me share my screen, children. Please go through what I've worked and then ask your doubts. Now, soon after this meeting, I want all of you to share the pictures of what you worked for this assignment, this particular assignment which we are discussing now. Take pictures of your working and share it on WhatsApp with me. I need to check if all of you really worked, because the answer is also there, no?
Ma'am, I couldn't try. Ma'am, I didn't write only the second Roman letter and the fifth question. Can I work it now and send a picture?
So whatever is already available in your book, you send that first, and then you can work the remaining and send it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you can even do it now during the meeting. Others.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh, phone. Huh? Okay, fine. All of you after the class, no problem. I just want to check if all of you worked it. Yeah, children. All right.
Ma'am, can I say the fifth one answer, ma'am?
Have I not shared my? No. Please check your answer with the fourth one, children. LHS and RHS. LHS is 0. RHS is also 0.
ma'am, I found my mistake.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't separate it as LHS and RHS. I directly applied the values in the equation and got my answer, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, I also did the same, ma'am. I didn't
Ma'am, I
take it,
also
ma'am.
did like that only, ma'am. I didn't
Okay.
separate our LHS and RHS.
Very good. So let's learn something now. We should not do that. We should not work the LHS and RHS side by side. We must work them together. We must work them separately and get the same answer. We must get the same value for the LHS and RHS. We cannot get different values. We cannot get different values. We should get the same values for the LHS and RHS.
Ma'am, actually, in that minus 15/3, in that first term, no, ma'am. In that, I did not cancel that 3 by minus 15, and instead I cancelled the 3 in the denominator in both terms.
No, 1 minute. Let me write what you have. Okay, so you have 50 like this, right? You have like this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what did you do?
Instead of cancelling the minus 15 and 3, I cancelled the 3 in first term and 3 in second term.
How can we do that? No, that we cannot do, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no, that you cannot do. You cannot cancel the 3's in the denominator. So let me just tell you now. For example, supposing you have 1/4 and 1/4. What is actually 1/4 plus 1/4? What? These are 2 quarters, right?
Yes.
2 quarters make what?
1/2.
1/2. But what will happen when you cancel 4 and 4? You will get 1 plus 1, 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's the mistake. So since you have not, that is maybe for the left hand side you would have got 0. Maybe you got 0. But this one, since your answer is wrong, you wouldn't have got 0. You cannot cancel the 3's in the denominators. Okay, so children, first we need to multiply. First we need to multiply. So see here, this is how you write it in order to multiply. This term into this is what you can see here. And this term into this is what you see here. Minus 5/3 a cubed b power 4 into the first term 3a. The same thing, minus 5/3 a cubed b to the power 4 into the second term b. Now this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So minus 5, a cubed into a is a to the power 4, b to the power 4. That's how we get minus 5. You should cancel this 3 in the denominator and this 3 in the numerator. Minus 5, a to the power 4, b to the power 4. Here, simplification with the numbers is not possible. Minus 5 by 3. So minus into minus plus 5 by 3, a cubed, b to the power 4 into b is b to the power 5. Multiply the signs, then write the numbers and then the letters A, B, C and all that. Minus into minus plus. 5 by 3 cannot be simplified further. So 5 by 3. A cubed. Then b to the power 4 into b is b to the power 5. So that is the product. That is the product. And then the question is verify the answer. See, first we're just answering whatever was asked here. Multiply these two expressions. So that's what we have done here. We have multiplied the two expressions and this is the product. Next, verify the answer for a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. We need to verify the answer. Verify means work the LHS, work the RHS separately. And we must get the same value for both the LHS and RHS.
Ma'am, the LHS here is minus 5 by 3 a cube b to the power 4 into 3a minus b, no ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, but when we okay ma'am.
This is the LHS. This is the left hand side. This one is the left hand side.
Okay
This is
ma'am.
the right hand. This is the right hand side. The answer.
Only when we multiply that we get the answer, no ma'am. So it's enough if we substitute the answer only with the final product, no ma'am.
No. Verify means, what do you understand by the term verify? Verify means you must check. How do you check? You must have two things to check, right? With only one thing, how will you check?
Okay, ma'am.
See, now, if I ask you to check your answer, that means I should show you some answer. And then you will check your answer with the answer I've given you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if you have only one answer or your answer, and how can you check your answer? You need to check it with respect to something else.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so the question is the left hand side, the answer is the right hand side.
Okay, ma'am.
See, this is the question. This is the question. This is the left hand side. And the product, what answer you get is the right hand side.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so in this one, in this one, which is called the left hand side, for wherever there is a, so see here children, minus 5 by 3, a is 1 and b is 3. You can see here, minus 5 by 3, a cubed, 1 cubed, b to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, and 3a minus b. So 3 into a, 3 into 1 minus b, minus 3. Correct, children?
Ma'am, I've actually worked only the RHS, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Now let's understand this. So minus 5 by 3, 1 cubed is 1, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. And here on simplifying, 3 ones are 3, 27 times. And 27 into minus 5 is 135. Into 0 is 0. While in the RHS, in the right hand side, that is the answer. Minus 5. See here? Here, this is the right hand side. This is the right hand side. Wherever there is A, we use 1, and in place of B, we use 3. A1, B3. That's what you see here. 5, a to the power 4, b to the power 4. 5 by 3, a cubed, b to the power 5. So 3 power 4 is 81. Here 3 power 5 is 243. And this product is for minus 405. And this product, how do you find this product? See here, 3 ones are 381 times 243. 3 ones are 381 times is 243. You should simplify. Then 81 into 5 is 405. Minus 405 plus 405. 0. Yes, children, I'm pausing so that you can look at the steps and understand better.
Ma'am, I need question number 3 slide.
Yeah, I'll show you Danya, not Danya. Who's this?
Ma'am, Devadarshini. Ma'am.
Yeah, I'll show you Devadarshini. I'll show
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Children, so please understand the question. So multiply means you need to find the product. Multiply, so find the product. Verify means we need to work the left hand side and the right hand side separately. And we must get the same answer for both the LHS and RHS. If they have the same values, that means we have verified. The LHS is equal to RHS, so we verified. See, sometimes, see, maybe for the same answer, if you have got 2 in the LHS and 2 in the RHS, that doesn't mean you're verified. 2 is not the correct value. You have to get 0 here. It's not that you can get any same number for LHS and RHS. Now, supposing you work it and you say you got minus 3 for the LHS and minus 3 for the RHS. That's wrong. Minus 3, you all of us should get 0. For this answer, all of us should get 0 for the LHS and 0 for the RHS. That's the correct answer. That's the correct verification. It's not that you can get any number, but it should be the same in LHS and RHS. It's not like that. All right. Darshini, please tell me the answer for the fifth one, first subdivision.
Ma'am, 5th question I didn't complete, ma'am.
Why you fifth one, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, Kirtana, ma'am, I have sent the answers to your WhatsApp, the answers which are written in the notebook.
Okay. Very neat work. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's your reason, Devadarshini, for not completing the assignment?
Ma'am, actually, test is going on in my school, ma'am, so that I was studying for the test and completing this, ma'am, so that I couldn't get that much time, ma'am. I'll complete and then after that I'll send the explanation all together, ma'am.
Your work from the 1st to 4th, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Share those pictures now, Devadarshini. Kirtana is just shared. Share whatever your work.
Ma'am, I'm not having my mobile right now, ma'am.
Okay, so you can do it soon after the class?
Yes, ma'am, I'll do now.
Okay. Yeah, who can tell me the answer for the 5th one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Okay, I'll ask Madhumita for the first one and then Sindhu and Sanjay for the second one.
Ma'am, can I say the second one, ma'am?
Okay, all of us will say that. Yes. Madhumita, yes.
Ma'am, x cube y square minus x square y square plus xy square minus 2x to the power 4y plus 2x cube y plus 2x square y, ma'am.
Okay, read the earlier step.
X cube y square minus x square y square plus xy square plus xy square minus x to the power 4y minus x to the power 4y plus x cube y plus x cube y plus x square y plus x square y, ma'am.
Okay, so that after rearranging, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Sindhu and Sanjay, read the first line. When you multiplied, what did you get? The first.
X cube y square minus x square y square plus xy square minus x to the power 4y plus x cube y plus x square y minus yx to the power 4 plus yx cube plus yx square, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Was it Sindhu or Sanjay?
Sindhu, ma'am.
Very good, Sindhu. Very good.
Ma'am, can I say the second one, ma'am?
Yes, Kirtana. Let me show this answer and then you can say the second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Yes, Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am. For ma'am, can I say it step by step or like?
I want the first line.
Okay, ma'am. Half 1 by 2 a power 4 minus 2 by 2 a power a square plus 2 by
Oh,
4.
1 minute. So 2 by 2 is 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's avoid that. Let's not write 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5. So that means there was a 2 in the denominator and a 2 in the numerator. You should have cancelled it. Have you done that in the next step?
In the last and final step, I did it, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Come again. 1 by 2, a to the power 4.
1
Minus
by 2,
a square.
yeah, ma'am, plus 2 by 4 a cubed plus 1 by 4 a to the power 4 minus 3 by 8 a square minus 3 by 5 a.
3 by 8 a.
Sorry, 3 by 8 a, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Next step.
Next, I took LCM for a power 4. I mean 1 by 2 a power 4 and 1 by 4 a power 4, ma'am.
Okay.
And then so I got and then I also took LCM for 2 minus 2 by 2 and minus 3 by 8, ma'am.
A square.
Yeah, ma'am,
Okay.
minus
Yeah,
3
you're
by
right.
8 square.
Yeah, you're right. What's the final answer?
3 by 4 a power 4 plus 5 a 5 by 8 a squared plus 1
5
by
square
2.
E square is wrong. Okay, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Plus 1 by 2 cubed plus 3 by 8 a.
Correct. Mine plus 1 by 2 a cubed minus 3 by 8 a. One term alone. Let me see if you are incorrect or I am incorrect. I don't know. Please check and tell me. So children, you can see the multiplication here. Now when you multiply, so it's like this, no, this into this into this. So when you're writing them, you can simply connect by a plus sign. When you're multiplying, now see this into this in one bracket. Then you're going to write this into minus 2 in another bracket. You can connect it with a plus sign. Please watch the first step carefully. Please watch the first step carefully. It's like this into this in one bracket, this into this in one bracket, this into this in one bracket, this into this, and finally this into this. So totally 6 brackets. And I've connected the brackets with a plus sign. Then 2 in the denominator, 2 in the numerator. You can cancel. Then 2 here in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So that's how we get 1 by 2a to the power 4 minus a square. Because see here, there's only a square here. Minus into 1, minus 1, a square. So minus a square. So 1 by 2a cubed, all this you can understand. Then gather the like terms. There are 2a to the power 4 terms. Then 1 a cubed term, 2 a square terms, and 1 a term. So this a power 4 and a power 4, no, the coefficients are 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So see, I've worked it here. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, a to the power 4. See, I've said after gathering the like terms, a to the power 4. So a to the power 4. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. See here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, a to the power 4. Then that a cube term as it is, there are 2 a square terms. Minus 1, minus 3 by 8. I've worked it here. Minus 1, minus 3 by 8. I've worked it here. Minus 11 by 8. So minus 11 by 8 a square. Minus 3 by 8 a. Is that fine, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, David, actually you wanted the third one, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the third.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so this one, yeah, this one was simplify, and there were some products and then like terms to be simplified. Here also similar. This one was multiply and verify. Multiply and verify. So we have to first multiply, and then verification is working the LHS, working the RHS, and getting the same value. This one is simply find the value. This is not verification. In question number 3, it was not verification. Find the product. So that means you should first work the product. You should first multiply. You must first multiply and then find its value. So where to substitute? Only in the answer. Find its value means only in the answer we substitute. Find its value means only in the answer we substitute. Verification we substitute in LHS and RHS. In the question and answer. But for finding the value, we substitute only in the answer. Only in the answer. So only answer we substitute. We give take the values of A and B and we work that. So one was verification and this one is find the value. Simplify. Multiply. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.